Next we have pentene C5H12. Okay, to draw its molecular structure, we should write 5 carbons and place the remaining their hydrogens by satisfying its tetravalency. It is the structure of pentene, molecular structure of pentene. Now, to draw that, we should have 5 carbons and others are hydrogen. Circle the series. So in this way we can draw the electron dot structures of pentene. So these are the saturated hydrocarbons in which carbon have single bonding. Now we are discussing the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbons in which carbon makes double or triple bond with the other carbon atom, or we can say that those hydrocarbons which involve carbon-carbon double bond, or carbon-carbon triple bond are called saturated hydrocarbons. The best example we can have here alkynes. We have the alkynes in which carbon-carbon double bond is formed. So the first member of alkyne should we have 2 carbons in it. So the structure can be drawn by making a double bond. First member of alkyne contains 2 carbons, so its carboy is we are coming for alkynes. So alkynes should have triple bond. Also, it is your alkene. Carbon-carbon double bond. The first one should be ethene, and the formula should be C2H4. This is molecular formula. Now, make double bond with the carbon atoms. 2 bonds are formed by both the carbon atoms. Remaining carbon make 4 bonds, so remaining 2 atoms. So 2 atoms should be there. Hydrogen. We can also draw its electron structure because it is double bond is present there. So we have to indicate or show 4 electrons, sharing electrons there. Both carbon share 4 electrons, and the other electrons are shared with hydrogen, and circle the doublet of the hydrogen, and similarly we could have the hydrogens sorry, carbon having its doublet completed, octet completed. In that case, we can also draw the structure like that. In some books, we also have like this structure. All are the, this is molecular structure, this is also molecular structure, and this is electron dot structure of ethene. Second member of this alkenes is propane. Its formula should be C3H6. C3H6. For formation of propene, you should always have to follow that there are 3 carbons, and the propane will indicate that there are 3 carbons, and ene word indicates that that should be a double bond. So we should draw first 3 carbons, okay, and we have to have only one double bond in them. So you can make double bond here or this side, but you should only have a single double bond in the formation of alkenes. This should be clear, beta. Alkenes should have one double bond. So there should be an existence of one double bond in alkenes. So we put here double bond here. Now this carbon make 4 bonds. 2 bonds are made by this carbon with this carbon. Remaining are produced by the hydrogens. This can make a single bond, this, and to complete this valency we put here H here, and to satisfy the valency of tetravalency we have to put 3 hydrogens around the carbon atom. We can also represent this molecular formula by putting the carbon. You can also put here, but in both the cases the naming should be same. So these are the 2 structures of propane. You have to only make one. They are not, these structures are similar to each other. That means they are identical. You have to make only one. Whether you make this one or this one in your notebook in the exam. So do according to the electron dot structure, according to the molecular structure you are taking. Be alright, beta? You have to draw yourself the electron dot structure of the propane by taking this one or that one. Only one, because both the structures are same. Both the structures are same. So when you have carbon greater than 2, you have to have one double bond should be present in between the carbon. In between any 2 carbons. First point should be clear that when you have greater than 2 carbon atoms in alkene, you have to draw only one double bond between any 2 carbon atoms. The third one should be butene. Its formula should be C4H8. C4H8. Similarly, we can have simply just make them single bond, and at any double bond can be here only single double bond. Clear, beta? You can write double bond here. So satisfy the valency of this compound. By taking hydrogens. You may also put double bond between there. Or you can put here so name of this compound is butanene. That means your double bond is present as first carbon. In second we are having butene, and third one is also butanene. So in class 10th you can make any one, but generally the first one and the third one are repeated in classes always. You have to make this one or this one, क्योंकि the second one has the other name but to e, but the formula is same. So here in class 10th you can make any of them by the form their structures, molecular structures, but you don't write the name there, because if you indicate the name then the butene changes, because as it is but1ene and this is butene also. Here but2ene is indicating that your carbon, your double bond should be present at second position 1 2 or from the 1 and 2. So in that case you have to be careful during the making the electron dot structure or the molecular structure of the compounds. So I prefer you only to make double bond in the starting or the ending one, so that you cannot confuse by making them at between the positions of the carbon atoms. Clear beta? So these are the, or in the fifth one we can also have the fourth one, pentane. You may draw the electron dot structures of that yourself. It's homework for you. So try yourself. We can have next pentene C5H10. So similarly in that case I have always agreed that you should put is double bond at the last. So I am just making only a single compound for yourself, so that I can draw the electron dot structure of any one compound, because we have not tried it till. So this is the molecular structure of your pentene. Now for making the electron dot structure we can have as we have the double bond the first carbon, so we are placing 4 electrons, 1 your hydrogen here. So it complete, it also completing doublet. Now this carbon is completing its octet also. This carbon here has beta. So this hydrogen completing its doublet and carbon is completing its octet. Satisfy the valencies of the carbon. So we are satisfy the valencies by forming the sharing electrons between them. So this is the electron dot structure of your pentene. Now second example of unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkynes. We have alkynes. Alkynes are the unsaturated carbon which are containing carbon-carbon triple bond. That means your starting member should be of 2 carbon atoms. So first one is named as ethyne. Its molecular formula should be C2H2. First of all, make double bond, triple bond between them, and place hydrogen around them. So how to make the electron dot structure? Carbon indicating